Hey YouTubers, welcome back to Southwest Desert Farming with Michael and Stacey. I'm Michael, and Stacey, she's actually over there. Let's see her way over there? Doing important stuff. Anyways, I am or have been working on a pond setup, which in some places are used for hydroponics. Hydroponics being where you grow plants in water, but you also have fish in your pond system, and when you pump the water, the byproducts from the fish flow up through and get into your plant system to give them nutrients, and they grow real well. Anyways, I'll show you what I got here. Started off with one of the IBC totes, cut it in half. Well, not necessarily in half, and I should have been filming well before this stage, and I will catch up on some of that because I did do a little bit of filming when I was making the top and how I did it. Here we have the top portion of the tote that was cut off. I went ahead and removed the section of pipe that was right here. I did not cut this because I need to make sure that once I fill it, it does not sink below this level here where I'm at in it. As you can see, right now I haven't done any kind of other modifications to the tote. Here I'm adding the siding to this one, so that way it looks very much like the other one. Part of my problem right now is the nice screws that work out perfect. I ran out of them, so you'll see here I have to use the long screws, which it'll go through the top and second layer of steel, but then the tip is dull and won't go through the other part. So what I've been doing is pre-drilling, and then using the grinder, I'm taking off the tip of the screws here, which isn't really crucial, except for if it's going to be where the tote meets up, which on the bottom it's not. But on the tops, wherever I add any more, once I add the gravel and water and add any more screws here in the areas where the side of the tote will be, it'll go through and protrude through the inside of the tote, which again, another sharp edge that I'd have to worry about. You'll see here it's a little bit off because I got to do some adjustments up underneath to make sure that it doesn't sink down. But this is what it is. All right, so this is what we got. I drilled out a hole. I got to put a riser in this so that way I can add gravel to a certain level. I guess looking at it here, it's going to be about here. But when I set up my pump, there's my hose for my pump. It should pump water, and for now it's going to be from that corner, and hopefully the water will flow from there coming across this way and drain through this for now through here. At some point we would like to add a water feature, like a little waterfall spigot or something here, to where it'll drip down in here. Thank you for stopping by and Hope you come and visit us a little bit more often. We'll have plenty to go, and keep on digging.